So I've had some people ask me about riding the Fruntrunner here in Utah. Figured I'd throw this together in case it's helpful to anybody. I'm here at the Lehigh station, but it's pretty much the same whatever station you're at. These are the ticket kiosks. You can come over here. Can't see it really good, but there you can choose one-way round trip, premium monthly pass, or group pass. I would usually choose round trip. We've got full fare or reduced fare. I'll choose full fare. I usually would do the all-day pass. Then you can choose where you're going. I'll say Salt Lake. If you are going with a group, you can add more tickets. Bump it up to 2 or 3. I think if you're doing 4, it's cheaper to do the group pass. And then you can pay. It's $3.60 for an all-day pass. After that, here in Lehigh, you would go down under the tracks right there, but every station's laid out a little bit differently. But you would go over there, sit on the bench in the shade, and wait for your train to come. You can take it up and get off somewhere, get on tracks if you're in Salt Lake, get on the bus. The tickets work on tracks in the bus as well, so that's nice. You can get around to most anywhere. That's what the buses look like.